Good morning, traders. We're talking about Bitcoin. Welcome to turbooptiontrading.com. Here is the cryptocurrency tab right here. We also cover it, and we're going to go ahead and do a follow-up about the crypto, about the charts, why you should be signed up right here on the website. And you will find over here that you can follow the crypto trade. It's right here. Click on crypto. Once you click on crypto tab, it will take you to BTC and the updates that you can get. I am going to go ahead and currently start the video as I have, but we're going to do the charts. Traders, follow up on the Bitcoin, on the daily chart. We talked in the last video that 60,000 was that support level. If you break it, you were going to go much lower, and we did. Bitcoin is up right now, 410 points, but the low today is extremely low at 56,592. This is a daily chart. We can trade easily right here to, if we break 51,000 on Bitcoin, you need to know that the next support level where Bitcoin can trade down to is 44,000. Once again, just like in the videos, if you're a real crypto trader, you're going to want to watch them and you're going to get updated. This is the last update. Let that be known. Let the Bitcoin roll. We have big trouble. We could trade down to 44,000 if we break below 52,500. It's going to be support at 52.5. If we break it, then we could test 44,000 in the short term. What we're going to watch for is if we do go up, does Bitcoin roll over and make new lower lows? We will update you. That's what we do. TurboOptionTrading.com. Come back, get ideas. Do you think it's going up or do you think it's going down?